Hi there, welcome back to session 4.6 Learn Excel from Karpakan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide formulas in Excel. Let's get started. When you look at the existing demo sheet, when I go and click at the amount cell, you will not be able to see what is the formula that I have used because I have hit at the formula cell. How did I do this? Let's see step by step. When I go and click on the MRP, say for example, let's say I'm changing it to 8 quantity. You can see there is a change happening in the amount. Let's say I'm going to change the quantity here. Instead of 4 quantity, I'm making it 6. You will be able to see the change happening in this E11 cell. You can see, yes, because I have locked only the amount column and left these two columns D and E independent. Let's go back and do it. So now in the same existing worksheet, you can see when I click on this amount, you can see this. What basically I'm going to do is just go and select this one, press Ctrl 1. In the Ctrl 1, you have got the feature called as a lock and hidden. Unlock it first, again lock it and hide it. Click OK. Soon after you have done this, go to Review tab. From the Review tab, click on Protect Sheet. In the Protect Sheet, enter a password. Click OK. Again, it will ask you to re-enter the password, re-enter it. Now, you can see when I go and click at it, you will not be able to see the formula. Yes, because we have locked only this. Is it going to have an impact on this? Certainly not. So, for example, I'm changing the MRP of the X to 7. When I hit enter, you can see the difference happening in this particular cell. Yes, it's very interesting. Let me change the quantity also of the matchbox to 2. You can see instead of 12, it's going to show us 24. It's easy yet effective. I hope the video was interesting and informative. Thanks for joining. Stay tuned for more such videos. Good day.